2-3 problems. Mathematics 1B, 5th chapter, 3-dimensional coordinates. First one is example number 3, page number 127. Page number 127. Most important problem in 2 marks. Find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram whose consecutive vertices are 2, 4, minus 1, 3, 6, minus 1 and 4, 5, 1. Find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram whose consecutive vertices are given that 3 vertices. Find the fourth vertex of a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram ABCD. This is a parallelogram ABCD. Here given points A vertex, B vertex and C vertex. Here given points A 2, 4, minus 1, B point 3, 6, minus 1, C point 4, 5, 1. A vertex 2, 4, minus 1, B vertex 3, 6, minus 1, C vertex 4, 5, 1. Let the fourth vertex be x, y, z. Let D x, y, z be the fourth vertex. Fourth vertex of the parallelogram. Parallelogram ABCD. Let dx, y, z be the fourth vertex of the parallelogram. Here find the coordinates of D, x, y, z. In a parallelogram, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. In a parallelogram, the midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. Midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. x1 plus x2 2 plus 4 by 2, y1 plus y2 4 plus 5 by 2, z1 plus z2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This is the midpoint of AC. Is equal to midpoint of BD. x1 plus x2 by 2, x plus 3 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, y plus 6 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2, z minus 1 by 2, 2 plus 4, 6 by 2, 4 plus 5, 9 by 2, minus 1 plus 1, 0 by 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 2, y plus 6 by 2, z minus 1 by 2. Equating x coordinates. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. Equating y coordinates. Y plus 6 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Equating z coordinates. Z minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Equating x coordinates, y coordinates and z coordinates. 2 get cancel. X plus 3 equal to 6. X equal to 6 minus 3. So x equal to 3. 2 get to cancel. Y plus 6 is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 6. Y is equal to 3. 2 get to cancel. Z minus 1 is equal to 0. So Z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1. The fourth vertex dx comma y comma z is equal to 3 comma 3 comma 1 is the answer. The fourth vertex of the parallelogram is 3 comma 3 comma 1 is the answer. Next one is example number 10, page number 129. Example number 10, page number 129. If the point 1 comma 2 comma 3 is changed to the point 2 comma 3 comma 1 through translation of axis, find the new origin. Find the new origin. This is the old system. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. This is the origin. Origin is shifted to another point. Origin is shifted to another point without changing the direction of the coordinate axis is called the translation of axis. This is the new system. Capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z. Origin shifted to O dash H comma K comma S. P X comma Y comma Z be a point with reference to old axis. Old axis when the origin shifted to O dash H comma K comma S, P X comma Y comma Z change into P capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z. When the origin is shifted to H comma K comma S by the translation of axis, P small x comma small y comma small z can be changed into P capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z. Here, observe here, the point 1 comma 2 comma 3 is changed to the point 2 comma 3 comma 1. P small x comma small y comma small z can be changed into P capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z. So here given that P small x comma small y comma small z is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. P capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 1 by the translation of axis. Find the new origin. Means here we find the O dash H comma K comma S. So find the new origin means O dash H comma K comma S. When the origin shifted to O dash H comma K comma S by the translation of axis, the point P X comma Y comma Z change into P capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z. The relation between the origin shifted point, old point and new point or changes the coordinates by the translation of axis. Small x is equal to capital X plus H. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Small z is equal to capital Z plus S. Already we learned second chapter translation of axis. Small x is equal to capital X plus H. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Here extra small z is equal to capital Z plus S. So here find the origin shifted point. H is equal to small x minus capital X. K is equal to small y minus capital Y. S is equal to small z minus capital Z. H is equal to small x 1, capital X 2. So h is equal to -1. K is equal to small y 2, capital Y 3. So K is equal to -1. S is equal to small z 3 minus capital Z 1. So S is equal to 2. S is equal to 2. Therefore, new origin O dash H comma K comma S is equal to -1 comma -1 comma 2 is the answer. -1 comma -1 comma 2 is the answer. Here changes the coordinates by the translation of axes. Small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k, small z is equal to capital Z plus s. Here O dash comma K comma S is the origin shifted point, means new origin. Old point P small x small y small z, changes point or new point P capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z. Here finding the new origin O dash comma K comma S is equal to -1 comma -1 comma 2. Example number 2. Show that the points A 3 comma -2 comma 4, B point 1 comma 1 comma 1 and C point -1 comma 4 comma -2 are collinear. Already this problem solved. Today we solve another method. Collinear means the sum of the two distances is equal to third one. Here find the distances AB, BC and AC. AB plus BC is equal to AC means 3 points are collinear. The sum of the two distances is equal to third one, then the given points are collinear. Already this method yesterday we solved. Today this problem solve another method. Here given points A point 3 comma -2 comma 4, B point 1 comma 1 comma 1 and C point -1 comma 4 comma -2. Suppose if the points A x1 comma y1 comma z1, B x2 comma y2 comma z2 and C x3 comma y3 comma z3 are collinear, then determine x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3 is equal to 0. If the 3 points are collinear, then determinant value is 0. So here find the determinant value. X1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3 is equal to 0. Here find the determinant value. x1 3, y1 -2, z1 4, x2 1, y2 1, z2 1, x3 -1, y3 4, z3 -1. Find the determinant value. First one is plus, second one is minus, third one is plus. 3 into 3 row cancel, 3 column cancel. Remaining value 114 minus 2, 114 minus 2. Second one minus into minus plus 2. Minus 2 row cancel, column cancel. 1 1 minus 1 minus 2. 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 4 into 4 row cancel, 4 column cancel. 1 1 minus 1 4. 1 1 minus 1 4. 3 into AD. 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus BC. 1 into 4 4 plus 2 into AD. 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus BC. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 4 into AD. 1 into 4 4 minus BC. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 3 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 1 plus 4 into 4 minus into minus plus 1 3 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 2 into minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 into 4 plus 1 5 3 6 are minus 80 2 into minus 1 minus 2 4 5 are 20 minus 18 minus 2 minus 20 plus 20 minus 20 get cancelled is equal to 0. Observe here determinant value is equal to 0. If determinant value is equal to 0, given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. So determinant 3 comma minus 2 comma 4 1 comma 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 4 comma minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the points A comma B comma C are collinear. A comma B comma C are collinear. This is the second method, easy process.